In the late 1500s, when most of Europe believed the Earth stood still, one man dared to challenge the heavens themselves. His name, Galileo Galilei, the man who pointed a telescope toward the sky and forever changed how we see the universe. Born in 1564 in Pisa, Italy, Galileo grew up during the Renaissance, an age of art, discovery, and bold new ideas. Originally sent to study medicine at the University of Pisa, Galileo soon found himself drawn not to the human body, but to the mysteries of the universe. He studied mathematics, physics, and philosophy, quickly gaining a reputation for questioning the old ways of thinking. The scientist and inventor, Galileo's curiosity knew no bounds. He studied motion and famously discovered that objects of different weights fall at the same rate, a direct challenge to Aristotle's teachings. In 1609, news reached him about a new invention from the Netherlands, the telescope. Galileo didn't just copy it, he improved it, increasing its power more than 30 times. And with this, he aimed it at the heavens. Discoveries that shook the world. What he saw was astonishing. The moon wasn't smooth and perfect, it had mountains and craters. Jupiter had 4 moons orbiting it, now known as the Galilean moons. Venus showed phases like our moon, proving it orbited the sun, not Earth. These discoveries provided powerful evidence for the heliocentric model, the idea that the sun, not Earth, was at the center of the solar system. Conflict with the Church. But Galileo's findings challenged the authority of the Catholic Church. In 1616, he was warned to stop promoting heliocentrism. Yet, Galileo continued his work, publishing his famous book Dialogue concerning the 2 chief world systems in 1632. This led to his trial by the Inquisition. Under threat of torture, Galileo recanted his views publicly, but legend says that as he left the courtroom, he whispered, "E per s I move, and yet it moves." Galileo spent the last years of his life under house arrest, but his ideas could not be silenced. Today, he is celebrated as the father of modern observational astronomy and physics. From the craters of the moon to the distant moons of Jupiter, Galileo's discoveries remind us that curiosity is the most powerful telescope of all. For centuries later, his message still echoes through the stars. Question everything and never stop looking up.